Hey guys, happy Monday morning. It's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 1967 Mustang. This comes from Charles in West Hills, California. And Charles has requested the internal conversion to add FM and a heck of a lot more output power because we got a new harness on this thing in place of the original connectors. And he's also ordered the USB and Bluetooth functions, so we're going to test all that out before we send her back. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I've got it set to AM at the moment. It's the one strong station I get. So there's our AM radio, and we've got some
Hi, this is Barry. Join me for lunch every Saturday at 12 o'clock
let's check
for
our
the Prescott Palace. We're going behind
original
the scenes
balance
of Prescott
control.
culinary, visual,
Left,
and performing arts, and everything
right,
in between. We're talking to
left,
people in town that make a
right.
difference and
Okay, I'm gonna
being a
center
little
'em.
inspirational. That's every Saturday at 12 o'clock on KQ&A 11:30
Okay, now we're going to activate the virtual front rear fader.
99.9 FM and KQ.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
Well
so
as the mobile
all
app.
front, all rear, all front, all rear.
The
Okay,
talk
I'm
of
going
the
to center
country,
them.
11:30 AM KQ&A Prescott Valley.
Fader
Fader is
set.
set.
FM.
Okay, let's move over to FM.
L. Prescott.
And we'll just run down the dial real quick, make sure we pick up some FM stations. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, now to go between AM FM on this type of radio, we turn it off, then right back on within about a half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Just run it down the dial, make sure we pick up some stations.
Caseta 89.
4.3 FM.
Breaking Jacksonville Beach, Florida.
1 South Montezuma Street.
And as you know, it's pretty dead in the middle of the band in my area.
It'll be a bloodbath for the country.
Ayala Life Insurance.
Let's ride. Get your little fun.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Blank spot there. Okay, we're going to be okay, we should continue the song after the automatic track change. There's a track change. And there's a continuation of the song. Ready. Pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Make sure it plays my radio commercial off a USB stick. Okay, all right, let's check the dial light, and you can see it peeking out through that little opening right there. You can see that light flashing on and off in response to my command. So it is fully tested. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old AM 8-track. I can add Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, aux input, all that kind of good stuff. Oh, and incidentally, this customer also requested my master input output box in case you want to use an external amplifier. It's got your left, right, front, and rear pre-outputs, an unpowered sub output, and that's going to be your aux input if you order this box. So so here we go again. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my prices, options, and turn times, because that's all in the work order, and all you have to do is read the work order, and then that way, if you need to call me, and most people do want to call me, if for no other reason, just to talk for a couple minutes, make sure you can trust me and stuff like that, that's perfectly okay. But as far as finding out my options, prices, and turn times, I'm just not able to answer the same 15-minute series of questions from each new customer anymore. So if you do this research before calling me, you keep me on the bench longer, which means the workmanship is greater. So please observe those little mini rules. And thanks so much for watching, listening. Thank you, Charles, for your business from West Hills, California, and we'll see you guys next time.